In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a tax extension online with TurboTax. If you need more time to submit your tax return, TurboTax makes it fairly simple to request an extension right from your account. This process is helpful when you're not ready to file yet, but still want to stay on track and avoid missing the filing deadline. Just keep in mind that a tax extension usually gives you more time to file your return, not more time to pay any taxes you may owe. So as you go through this process, it's a good idea to have a rough estimate of your tax situation in mind. To get started, go to the top right corner of your TurboTax screen and click on Help. This is the quickest way to find the extension option without digging through multiple menus. The Help area includes a search feature that can point you directly to the tool you need. Once the Help panel opens, click into the search field and type extension. Keep it simple and just use that single word. TurboTax will show related help topics and options based on your search, making it easier to find the correct path for filing an extension. From the search results, click on Filing Extension. This should take you to the section specifically designed for requesting extra time to file your federal tax return. Make sure you choose the extension option that clearly refers to filing, so you're entering the right workflow. On the next screen, click Start Easy Extension. After that, follow the steps TurboTax gives you on screen. The platform will guide you through the extension request process, and this is where you'll review the details, enter any required information, and continue until the request is ready to be submitted. Take your time here and read each prompt carefully so you don't miss anything important. As you move through the guided steps, make sure your information is accurate and up to date. Even though the process is straightforward, small errors can cause delays or confusion later. It's also smart to double check whether you may need to submit a payment along with your extension if you expect to owe taxes, and that's it. Once you've started the easy extension flow and completed the on-screen instructions, you'll be on your way to filing your tax extension online through TurboTax. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make the process feel a lot easier.